Hey everyone, welcome back to Teos Take. Today we're unboxing the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro standard combo, and we're going to unbox two must-have accessories for my video production setup. For my specific use case, filming point of view videos right here at the coffee station, a couple of major features stands out immediately. So let's go ahead and start with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro standard combo unboxing. I picked this one up at the Prime Day. It was an excellent price comparing to its standard price. I chose this one over the Osmo Action 6 because this has all the features I need, and in my opinion the upgrade from Osmo Action 5 Pro to Osmo Action 6 is fairly incremental, so I'm better off with getting one of these. Let's go ahead and remove the typical DJI sticker. Alright, it's a fairly simple box, like every other DJI box, super efficient. Here's a box for accessories. Here's the camera, a little silica pack, nothing else in the box other than the sticker. I love these stickers. They work great on water bottles, computers, and things like that. So I highly recommend you guys to keep them, don't throw them away. Let's start with the accessories. We get Type-C to Type-C cable, user manuals, paperwork, quick start guide. We get a cage with other accessories in the cage. In the name of efficiency, DJI packs them fairly small, which I love it. Okay, here's a butterfly screw for action cams, to connect accessories like those GoPro accessories. And here's our battery. Okay, here's our GoPro style mounts. Little plastic buffers for this guy so it doesn't ruin your attachment points. Here's a helmet mount. As you see, they have the magnetic mount already on it. This is the DJI's magnetic mount. It works straight under the camera. Let's move on to the cage. Very easy to use cage, fairly similar to Action 4's cage. There's some attachment points on the side to use it in the portrait mode. If you're gonna do portrait style shots for those YouTube reels, TikTok and all that, or Instagram reels, you have to use this cage. Okay, let's go ahead and unpack the camera. Here's our camera, beautiful. A little cover on the top, fairly same size as Action 4. Of course, this one comes with a super bright, easy to see OLED screen in the back and the front, and there's some upgrades definitely worth it on this camera over the Action 4. Here's the magnetic attachment point, which you simply put this here and boom. And this is where you press down and push it forward to put your battery and micro SD card in there. I highly recommend you guys to use high-speed micro SD cards on this. This happens to be Samsung Pro Plus 256 gigabyte micro SD card. Serves really good for me. I use this particular micro SD cards on my drones, my action cameras, my dash cams even. I use this stuff. They work really good. You can record over and over again without any issues. Let's go ahead and place the micro SD card and then close this. Now this other side, there's another little gate which allows you to go ahead and press it down, push it out like this to connect your Type-C for charging and data transfer from your camera. So on this side, there's I think it's a quick start button and the power button. And here's the start record button on top. Mainly I'll be operating this camera from my smartphone via DJI Mimo app. That's the easiest way to operate. Also frame my scenes. Let me just show you how it looks like inside the cage. You simply kind of release this and kind of like stretch it and line up the power button the correct side and press this down into the cage and then lock it in. This is how it looks in the cage. I mainly will be operating this out of the cage unless I'm doing a reel or something like that to record like this. But other than that, I'll be using the camera just by itself out of the cage. While it's in the cage, you can connect magnetic attachment as well as you can open the Type-C port. However, you cannot remove the battery or the micro SD card off of the camera while it's in the cage. For my specific use case, filming point of view videos right here at the coffee station, a couple of major features stands out immediately about this camera. First, the magnetic attachment setup makes it incredibly simple and quick to remove the camera from my neck mount and snap it straight onto a small tripod. This is a total game changer for moving fast between a first-person viewing view and framing up close shots from an unusual angles. The camera itself is packed with massive upgrades, including a sharp, easy-to-follow OLED screen that makes framing up your shots effortlessly. It also features advanced subject tracking, rock-solid 4K HorizonBalancing to keep the station perfectly level, and an incredible 4-hour long battery life. To get those hands-free shots, I'm pairing it with this 26-inch extended neck holder mount, which molds comfortably around your shoulders to keep your hands totally free to work. I also added this walking way 360-degree rotation magnetic quick release mount, letting me spin and adjust my alignment angles on the fly without disconnecting the base. So let's put these guys aside. Let's go ahead and unbox this walking way 360-degree rotation magnetic quick release mount. Here it is, very comfortable to use. There's some padding right here. It's made out of metal and these are folding in. You can actually mount this on a tripod. Has a 1/4-inch screw hole at the bottom and sides are all metal. Springs appears to be fairly strong. Let's go ahead and try it on the camera. Boom. Right here. Honestly, this thing connects much better than DJI's own magnetic mount. It gives me a little struggle on here, I guess being new, but this guy was boom. Here we go. Excellent. And it's fairly low profile as you see, and if you want to mount it on a GoPro style mounting system, you can fold these out. I'll probably keep this on my tripod and then keep the DJIs on my other accessory. So let's go ahead and move on to the other accessory. They call it camera neck bracket. It's actually a neck harness for an action cam. Here we go. What else is in there? Here's a little user manual, how to use it. And here's a strap, not flexible, but it has Velcro attachment points, fairly adjustable. I like this kind. Elastic ones, those stretch types, doesn't secure the camera on your body like these. They kind of create some sort of movement. Here's a 1/4-inch mount connector, twist dial at the bottom. And here's the actual neck strap. Feels soft but strong. And here's the connection. When it connects, there's like a little switch right here. This switch actually helps you to remove it. And when you connect it, it clicks in. It comes with its own butterfly screw. Just to show you guys how it works, let's go ahead and put the DJIs on it. Here we go. And let's go ahead and put our camera. Boom. Let's remove this. Place it on my neck. And here it is. This is how it works. Of course, you connect this right from these little sides around your body to secure it. And this will enable me to record hands-free point of view shots. And also, this can be used almost like a stand like this, or it can connect poles or like the posts and things like that. You can just roll it like this to create this crazy angles while you're filming. I think it's super cool. So the Action 5 Pro is built for creators, and combining this magnetic ecosystem with a flexible neck strap gives you the ultimate coffee station production setup. If you want to check out this camera setup, the purchase links are down in the description. If you like this video and haven't joined the crew yet, like and share it at your social media to support the channel, and join the crew to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Have a delicious day.